The Tuffcare hip lift strap gently elevates the patient's arm or leg to perform limb or hip lift while giving caregivers easy access for cleaning, changing, and care delivery needs. This product is compatible with the Tuffcare manual and electric Rhino Lift. The ultra-soft material inside the Tuffcare hip lift strap provides excessive comfort. The anti-slip liner holds the patient in place. In addition, the Velcro straps, along with the buttons, make it easily adjustable as well as extra secure. Hip lift straps come in 4 different sizes, ranging from small to extra large. Sizing is determined by weight and thigh size. Check the description for more information. Start by centering the gray anti-slip liner facing up. Place a Tuffcare hip lift strap under the patient's thigh just above the knee. Wrap around the patient's thigh with the inner layer tightly secure, with the Velcro on the outside. Insert one end of the strap into the yellow strap on the opposite side all the way through until it stops. Repeat the same process on the other side. Position the Rhino Lift swivel bar right above the straps. Different colors indicate the desired height you would like to raise your patient. Hang the end straps at each of the swivel bar hooks to balance the weight evenly. Have the caretaker elevate the Rhino Lift. Once elevated, you have quick access for cleaning and changing. Once done with caretaker needs, lower patient. Detach the hip lift straps from the swivel bar.